This is the Nike Sparq version of the Yo-Yo Intermittent Recovery Test Level 1, created by Dr. Jens Bangsbo.
As instructed, when you hear the word go, you're to run 20 metres out, touch the outbound line with your foot, and run 20 metres back without stopping. This will be followed by 10 seconds of recovery time. Complete as many pairs of these 20-metre runs as possible while keeping pace with the CD.
The running speed will be slow in the early stages, but get increasingly faster as the test progresses. You've got 14 seconds to complete the first pair of runs. The test begins in 5 seconds. Go! Stage 1. Halfway. End stage 1. Increase speed. Go. Stage 2. Halfway. End stage 2. Increase speed. Go. Stage 3. Halfway. End stage 3. Go. Stage 4. Halfway.